Hello, grade 8. Hello, grade 8. Welcome back to another video with Mandy. Okay, guys, this is our new channel. Help us grow. Help us grow by subscribing to our channel. Hit notification bell to be notified of our future uploads, guys. Please, the first thing that you need to do before you can even watch this video, because here we're gonna give you quality content. The first thing that you're going that I'm humbly asking you to do is to subscribe. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Okay, before wasting any more time, guys, let's get started with our lesson for today. Guys, please use this question paper to prepare for your November 2025 examination. Most of the question will repeat, even not exactly the same, but they will be in the same structure. So that use this question paper to practice so that you will know how to answer in your examination. Okay, guys, let's get started. Question number 1 is a multiple choice question. So I'll start with 1.1. So for x, if 2x minus 6 equals to 8, what are we going to do now? You know that when we solve for x, we must take the variable, the number with the variable must be left on its side, and we're gonna take the rest to the other side so that they can be with the friend. All right. Okay, let me write down. It's gonna be 2x minus 6 is 8. I'll take this minus 6 to the other side and it will change sign. 2x is gonna be 8 plus 6. 2x, it will be 14. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. And then x is going to be 7. So the correct option is what? The correct answer is 7. So let's proceed to 1.2. A car travels for 30 kilometer at an average speed of 65 kilometer per hour. How long does it take? How long? How long? We need time. We're looking for a time now. Time, what's the formula for a time? Time equals to what? Equals to speed divided, equals to distance. Time equals to distance over what? Over speed. So T is gonna be 300 over 65. And then the answer is 4,6 hours. So the correct option is what? Is C. So let's proceed to 1.3, calculate. Guys, let's calculate 3 root of 125. You can use this calculator. 3 root of 25 is 5, guys. It's 5. It's 5 plus root of 81 is 9. And the answer is 4. Is 14. The correct answer is what? Is 14. 1.4, 2 to the exponent of y equals to 32. Then the value of y is, this is an exponential equation. 2 to the exponent of y is 32. Then we know that in exponential equation, the rule says if the base are the same, we equate exponent. And if the exponents are the same, we equate base. Yeah, exponent can be the same, then the base must be the same. It's 2 to the exponent of 5. Therefore, my y is what? Is 5. The correct option is what? Is C. 1.5, if A equals to -1 and B equals to -3 and C is 4, the value of this expression is, so here we're going to substitute 1.5. 3, where there is B, I'm going to put -3 squared, -3 squared minus 4, because C is 4. This is gonna be 9. It's gonna be negative 3 to the exponent of it's gonna be 9 minus 4. And then 3 times 9 is 27. 27 minus 4. The answer is 22. The correct option is what? And the correct option is D. Okay, then now let's proceed to question number 2. Question number 2. Simplify the following expression, guys. I'll write this down because it won't fit here. My answer won't fit here, guys. So I'll make sure that to write it down here. Let's hope you will see. Sorry for that. 2 point, I'll write 2.1.1 here. Let me write it here. 2.1.1, 2a, 3a plus b, minus 3a, 2a plus 4b. So I'm going to apply the BODMAS rule. What is inside the brackets must be multiplied with what is outside the brackets. 2a times 3a is going to be 6a squared. 2a times b is going to be 2ab. Negative 3a times 2a is going to be minus 6a squared. Minus 3a times 4b is going to be minus 12a ab. So the last term, we have the last term. This is the last term, and then this one, 6a squared minus 6a is 0 is nothing. Now we are left with 2a. We are left this one and this one will cancel. We're left with 2ab minus 12ab. And they are also last term. The answer 2ab minus 1 is going to be minus 10ab. And that's the answer for 2.1.1. That's the answer for 2.1.1. If A is negative 2, B is negative 4, and C is, find the value of this expression. This is simple, guys. Where there is A, I am going to put negative 2. Where there is B, I'm going to put negative 4. Where there is C, I'm going to put 6. Everything divisible. B, I'm going to put negative 4. And then we are going to multiply now. Guys, minus 2 times minus 6 times 6 is going to give me 48. 48 divided by negative 4. And the answer is going to be negative 12. So solve for x. Guys, this is an exponential equation. We must make sure that the base are the same or exponent are the same. Of course, now we have the exponent of x. The base can be the same, but exponent can be, the exponent can be the same, but the base can be the same. Now I know the base can be the same. I need to look for an exponent that will give me 64, and that exponent is what? Is 3. Therefore, x is what? X is 3. Okay, let's move to the next question. So for x, so here I'm going to take this negative 1 to the other side. It's 3x minus 1 equals to 8. I will take this negative 1 to the other side. The 3x is going to be 8 plus 1. 3x is going to be 9. I will divide by 3. I will divide by 3. X is going to be 3. Guys, very, very simple. Very, very simple. Guys, make sure that you get total. I want you to get total in this exam, guys. I really, really want you to get total. Please, and also comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Help us grow. Subscribe. Question number 3, calculate the following. The question says calculate the following. Is minus 3 plus 8 minus 1 minus 7 plus 12 plus 1. Guys, this you can simply use the calculator for this one. Everything on the calculator is giving me what? That's the reason why it has 1 mark. Don't stress yourself. 3.2, write 0,005125 in scientific notation. Guys, we know if the scientific notation starts with 0,00, the exponent must be what? Must be negative. Must write the last numbers we have. It's gonna be, the answer is gonna be 1,25 multiplied by 10. How many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3. Exponent of negative 3. Increase 40 in the ratio 4 is to 4:5. Let's increase the ratio. When we increase the ratio, this is how you answer it. It's gonna be 40. Because we're increasing, it's gonna be 5. It's gonna be 5. It's gonna be 5/4. And then the answer is gonna be what? Is gonna be 50. 3.4, a recipe for 20 rolls requires or needs 5 tablespoons of butter. How many tablespoons of butter are needed for 30 rolls? So here 10 rolls. 10 rolls is gonna be how many teaspoons of butter are needed for 30 rolls? So 10 rolls already. Let x be, so 10 roll is gonna be 5 divided by 2, which is 2,5, which is like gonna be 10 plus 10 plus 10, and therefore 2,5 plus 2,5 plus 2,5, which is okay. Let's write this down. So a receipt for 20 rolls needs only 5 teaspoons, right? Listen attentively to these questions so that you won't be confused. So I know that it's gonna be 5/20 because 20 rolls needs 5 teaspoons. It will be 5. It will be 5/20. And then on the other side, how many tablespoons of butter are needed to make? I don't know how many. That will be my x. How many it will be my x now? I don't know how many teaspoons of butter needed for what? For 30 rolls. And then from here, I will cross multiplication. From here, then we'll cross multiplication. Okay, x over 30, it's gonna be 5/1. It's 1/4. And then I'll multiply by 30 both sides. And therefore, my x is gonna be 7,5 tablespoons. Tablespoons. So let's proceed to question number 4. Study the patterns below and answer the questions that follow. Pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3. Pattern 1, it has 3 cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, it's got 9. So write down the first 5 numbers in the sequence. It's gonna be the difference is 3. So it's gonna be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, let's proceed. Complete the table. Number of dots In table number one, in pattern number one, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then in 24, we'll have, in number 8, or we'll have 24, and then number 10, we have 30, in number 12, we have 36, and then in number 22, we have 66, guys. Don't be confused by this. They've skipped. Just continue. We just adding three. In number pattern, they just skip 6 and 7. They go to 8 and they skip 9. If they say, I think um, I just need to do that. Work out on the formula to find the 22nd term. The formula to find, okay, the formula to find our formula is Tn equals to Dn plus what? Plus C. So where but D is the common difference, and we already know that the difference is what? The difference here is what? Is 3. Meaning that Tn is gonna be 3n plus what? Plus C. And then we are going to use the T1 rule. T1 is gonna be, therefore T1 is gonna be 3, 1, 1 plus C, and then, okay, and then T1 is 3. This is the first pattern is 3. It's 3 plus what? Plus C. I'll take this to the other side. It's going to be 3 minus 3C. And then 0 is going to be C. Therefore, my Tn is going to be 3n plus what? Plus 0. Then T22, where there is n, I'm going to put 22. Is 322. And then the answer is 66. Okay, let's proceed to question number 5. If x is -3 and y is 4, find the value of. Okay, where there is x, I'll put -3. Where there is x, I'll put -3. So let me write it properly. Let me write it properly. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Um, 3, -3. Oh, that's, oh, my pad is doing ups and down. Guys, sorry for that. Oh, let me quickly rub here. It's gonna be 3, -3 plus 4 plus 4 4 to the times 4. Guys, I think my pad is really misbehaving. Um, So the answer is gonna be, let me write it so that you can clearly see. Where there is x, I'm going to put -3. 3, I'll put -3. And then plus 4. Where there is y, I'll put 4. And then I will multiply what is in the brackets. Multiply what is in the brackets. 3 times -3 is going to be -9 plus 16. And then equals to -3 and 7. And the answer is -21. And the answer is -21. Let's proceed to this question. Simplify the following expression. Simplify the following expression. First, the first thing that we need to do is to simplify the expression, guys. If you see that the denominator is a single variable, what you need to do, you're going to divide the numerator with the denominator. It's going to be 6x to the exponent of 3 divided by 2x, and plus 2x squared divided by 2x, plus 4x divided by 2x. 6 by 2 is going to give me 3x, 3 minus 1, because we have 1 here. If we don't have an exponent, then we'll put 1. Plus 2 by 2 is 1. It's going to be x, 2 minus 1. And then 4 by is going to be 2, x, 1 minus 1. And therefore, the answer is going to be 3x squared plus x plus 2x to the exponent of 0. And the final answer is going to be 3x squared plus x plus 2. X to the exponent of 0 is 1. Then the final answer is going to be 3x squared plus x plus what? Plus 2. I'll examine the polynomial 5 plus 6y plus 12x. What type of polynomial is shown below? How many times? 1, 2, 3 is trinomial. 3 times trinomial. And then what is the coefficient of x? Any number that is the number that is behind x is what? Is 12. What is the coefficient of y? What is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y. Number behind y is 6. What are the variable in the above polynomial? The variable is 6. The variable is x and y. X and y. What is the constant term? The number that does not have a variable. The constant term is 5. What is the degree of the expression? Because here we have 1. The degree of expression is the highest exponent. And the highest exponent we have 1. We have 1 is first degree. Let's proceed to another question. Question number 6. Use the table below to plot the points on a Cartesian plane provided as annexure A and draw the graph. Guys, these are the points. So these are our points as -2 and 5, 0 and 1, 1 and -1. When you plot on the graph, you start with x values. -2 and 5, -2 and 5, negative are here, -2 and +5. It's here. Let's check. 0 and 1. 0 and 1, that's 0, that's a y-intercept. 0 and 1, it is here. And then 1 and -1, that's my x here. This is 1 and negative what? And -1. Let's check. Oh, they say draw a graph, and then after that we're going to draw the graph. We draw the graph. That's it, guys. We are done with paper 1, grade 8, November exam question paper. Guys, please use this question paper to prepare for your examination. And that's it.